Hello everyone, I am Mintu Mahin and welcome back to another session of Python Pandas for CBSE Class 12 Informatics Practices and Computer Science. In this session, we will explore essential operations on Pandas series such as modifying elements in the series, adding elements, filtering values based on condition, and performing vector and arithmetic operations. Let's get started. In this session, we will be covering the following topics. First one, modifying elements, adding new elements to series, filtering values, vector operations and arithmetic operations, then deleting values from series. Modifying elements of series object. We know series is value mutable or immutable. It is value mutable, right? We can change the value of series. So here, which are the values 10, 20, 30. Now, if we want to change the value at the index C to 50, that is possible. We can change. Like in list and dictionary, we can change the value of the series. So here how to change the value? Series name, then in the square bracket you pass the index equal to new value. This will change the value at index B. Here what will happen? S of B equal to 50. So at index B, the value will be changed to 50. Now when we print, you can see at B the value is 50. First it was 20, now it is 50. This is how we change the value at a particular index. Now, we can use log or ilog. What is log and ilog? In the last session, we learned what is log and ilog. It is used to access the elements in the series, right? Log use label-based index, ilog use positional-based index. So, using log and ilog, we can change we can modify the value. S dot log, then pass the index in square bracket equal to value. It will change the value at the particular index. Now, ilog also we can use. Now see what is the positional argument of B. It starts with 0. A 0, B is 1. S dot series name dot ilog of 1 equal to 50. This also changes the value at B to 50. Now we can use slicing. If you want to change more elements, if you want to modify more elements, we can use slicing. How to use slicing? Square bracket the first value colon last value, right? So here B colon C equal to 50. What will happen? B to C, the value will be changed to 50. See the output, A 10, then for B and C it is 50. So if we want to change more elements, we can use slicing. The series object name, then in the square bracket, give the first value and the last value. So from the first index to that last index, it will change the value. This is how we modify elements of series object. Next is adding new element. Here I created a series. Now here also it is same. See S, then in the bracket you pass the index equal to value. If this index is already present in our series, the value will be updated. If this index is not present, what will happen? A new value will be added to the series. This new index and value will be added. First our series was A10, B20, C30. Now how to add? Series name, then in the square bracket you pass the index equal to new value. Now what will happen? This new value, this index D and the value 40 will be added to the series. This is how we add values. Next is filtering values based on a condition. We can filter values by using relational operators. Which are the relational operators in Python? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to and not equal to. These are the relational operators. So using these operators, we can filter values based on condition. Here also the same series is created. So here S greater than 10. What will happen? This will be checked with each value in the series. First one. This is the first value of S, 10. 10 greater than 10. Is it true? No, it is false. So at that index, false will be returned. Boolean values will be returned at each index. If the condition satisfies, then it will be true. If it does not satisfy, it will be false. Here at A, the value is 10, 10 greater than 10. That is not true, so false will be returned. At B, we have 20, 20 greater than 10. Yes, it is true, true will be returned. At C, 30, 30 greater than 10. That is also true, it will be returned. And the D type is bool. Now next, print S, then in the square bracket S greater than 10. Here, how did we write the condition? first series name, then in the square bracket we pass the condition. Right, here when we pass the condition in the square bracket, the value will be returned, not the boolean values. The value which satisfies the condition will be returned. Here is greater than 10. Which all values are greater than 10? 20 and 30. So B20 and C30 will be returned. B20, C30. When we write the condition inside the square bracket, the values will be returned. If it is just the condition, the boolean values will be returned at each index, all the index. So what will be the output of the following code? A series is created here, 10, 20, 30, 40, A greater than 35. Print A greater than 35. So here it is not inside square bracket. So what will be written? The boolean values, right? Here which are the index? 0, 1, 2, 3. When we create the series, which are the index here? Here we didn't pass any label index, so it will be the positional index. Which are the index? At 10, for 10 we have 0, 21, 32 and 43. A greater than 35. So at 0, what will be the value? 10 greater than 35, is it true? No. So false will be returned. At 1, again false. 2, false. 3, true. And the D type is bool. See the next one. Here also a series is created. Then print S. What is this operator? This is modulo operator, right? Modulo operator returns the remainder. The numbers will be divided and the remainder will be returned using modulo operator. So S modulo 2 equal to 0. Here it is not inside the square bracket. So what will happen? Boolean values will be returned. We'll see. Which is the first value of the series? 23. 23 modulo 2. What is the value? 23 will be divided by 2 and the remainder will be returned. Is it 0? No. It is an odd number. So the remainder is not 0. 1 equal to 0. This condition is false. So what will happen? At orange, these are the index, right? Orange, red, purple, yellow. At orange we will have false. See the next one, 46. Is it true? Yes. This will be 0. 46 modulo 2 is 0. So at red we will have true. 79 again false. 12 true. So at orange it is false. Red true. Purple false. Yellow true. Now here one more print statement is there. That is S. Then in the square bracket S modulo 2 equal to 0. Here it is passed inside the square bracket. So what will happen? The values, the true value, not the boolean values, the values in the series will be returned if the condition is true. So here the first one, that is false, second one true, 46. That 46 will be returned, which is the index red and 46. 79 no, false. Yellow. Next one is 12. Yeah, that is true. So yellow and 12 will be returned. Red 46, yellow 12. D type is in 64. Next is vector operations on series. Vector operations will apply a function or expression to individual item of the object. In the series, if we multiply a series with a number, what will happen? Each value in the series will be multiplied with a number. If we add a series with a number, what will happen? Each value in the series will be added with that number at that particular index. That is called vector operations. So here we created a series. Then print S plus 10. This is our series. This first output is our series. Next is S plus 10. So which are the different values in the series? 10, 20, 30, right? Along with each value, this 10 will be added. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. So that is our output. A20, B30, C40. Next is S star 10. Star is multiplication operator. At each index, the value will be multiplied by 10. 10 into 10, 100. 20 into 10, 200. 30 into 10, 300. Now next is double star 2. This is power operator. So S raised to 2. What will be the value? For 10 it is 100. For 20 it is 400. And for 30 it is 900. Next is arithmetic operations on series object. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. can be performed on series. We can add two series, we can multiply two series, we can subtract or divide two series. So here, which operators are used? Plus for addition, star for multiplication, Now here we have two series. First one, the series A10, B20, C30. Second series A1, B2, C3, D4. Now we are going to add S plus S2. First series plus second series. So when we add two series, if we have matching index at both the series, that will be added together. Those values will be added together. A, do we have in both the series? Yes. Both the series we have A. So at A, what is there? In the first series it is 10, second one it is 1. So that will be added. 10 plus 1, 11. B, do we have? Yes. 20 plus 2, 22. C, yes. 30 plus 3, 33. Now D we have in the second one, but we don't have it in the first series. In that case, nan will be the value at that index. See here, S plus S2 is A 11, B 22, C 33, nan. And we know nan does not support int values, so it is the data type is float 64. Now next S star S2. What will happen? If we have matching index, at that index the values will be multiplied, right? So here also we have ABC. At ABC it will be multiplied. That is 10 into, what is the value here? In the second series it is 1. So 10 into 1, then 20 into 2, that is 40, 30 into 3, 90. Now at D it will be nan value. D type is float 64. Same for subtraction and division. This is how we do arithmetic operations on CT subject. The operation takes place at the matching index and missing values will be filled with nan. Now for mathematical operations, we can use the functions add, sub, mul or diff. This function can also be used. How to use the function? See, sum series equal to S dot add of S2. What will happen? This will add these two, S and S2. It is same as S plus S2. S dot add of S2. First series dot add, then pass the second series as the argument of the function. This is same as S plus S2. What will be the output? At matching index it will be added. If we don't have matching index, nan value will be returned. If we do not want to have nan values in the output, when we use these functions, we can use a parameter fill value to replace missing value with a specified value. See, this fill value we can use if we don't want nan values. With fill value we can replace the nan value with another value. Here see sum equal to S dot add of S2. Now another parameter is passed to add function, that is fill value equal to 0. Now what will happen? If we don't have value at a particular index, then 0 will be the value instead of nan. Here at A we have A in both the series, so it will be added 10 plus 1 11. B also we have, C also we have, D. D we don't have in the first one, right? If we don't use fill value, what will be the value? It will be nan. But here we use fill value equal to 0. In the second series we have D, the value is 4. So it will be 4 plus 0, 4. Now see the next one. Sum equal S dot add S2. Here fill value equal 100. So what will be the output? A, B, C, same thing. 11, 22, 33. And at D it will be 100 plus 4. 104. That will be the output. Next is how to delete elements from series. To remove a data value at a particular index from series object, we use drop function. Which is the function? Drop. How to use the function? Series name dot drop. Then you pass the index. Which index we need to remove? Which value we need to remove? That index you have to pass. This is our series. Here new underscore s equal s dot drop of b. Now print new underscore s. New s is the new series. In that series the value at b is removed. The index and values are deleted from here, from the series. So drop function is used. What is the format? S dot drop. Then you pass the index. So here the s will not be changed. The original series will not be changed. It will return a new series. A new series will be stored in new underscore s. Now if we want to delete more than one element from the series, we can pass it as a list. So inside the drop function, here we need to delete the values at b and c. So we pass it as a list. Inside the drop function, list b, comma c. So that the values at the index b and c will be removed. And we have a 10 as the output. That concludes our discussion on modifying, adding, filtering, and performing arithmetic on Pandas series. With this session, we have completed the entire topic of Python Pandas as part of the CBSE Class 12 IP syllabus. In the next session, we'll solve sample questions from Pandas series to reinforce what we have learned and help you to prepare for exams. Stay tuned and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.